All right, back at you again with our community service. So the reason why I'm doing this video is that, when someone have a problem with the all-in-one toilet, it's easy. So what happened the first time I went to Lowe's, order the parts, come home, open the box, it wasn't the right part, so I bring it back. I went to Home Depot and tell the guy, explain and say, all right, I got an all-in-one toilet and trying to find the flush valve, because the other ones is for like, you got to pull off the back of the tank and unscrew that one inside. And I said, this one is different. So he said, okay, I got the right one. So when I bought that one and came home and tried to fix it, it was the wrong one. So I went back and told him, I said, listen, I got an all-in-one toilet. Can you look at a toilet in the store or something like that? And he go on his laptop or his computer and look up, and end up that they don't have it in store. I have to order it off their website, and I think it's only Lowe's carry these flush valve. So if you guys have any of these toilet, this video should help you guys out. The other type of toilet, you pull off the back and you unscrew the back. All right, and the all-in-one, this one, it's easy. Actually, this easier. You just turn off the water, unscrew this thing, take it out. So this one probably easier, but it's probably just hard to get the parts. So hope this video help you guys. So this is an all-in-one toilet and a dual flush valve leaking, so running water, so it make the water bill go a little higher. So this is an all-in-one toilet, and I think only Home Depot sell these. I don't think Lowe's have them. Lowe's only have the where you can take the tank off. So I'm going to show you how to change this one. All right, so all you need is a screwdriver, one of these, and it's easy, so I'll show you. So I'm going to turn the water off. Get the water out. You just move this thing right here. All right, I just screw this piece, take it out. And I got the new one. So what happened, this one, you need a screwdriver. You're going to loosen this up and then you slantly take it out. So I'll show you guys. Yeah, I'll get my screwdriver. Actually, this one probably a little bit easier than the other ones, because you have to take the top off of the tank, drain it, clean it out, and then you have two screws at the side to take out, but this is pretty easy. So you slant it like that to get it out. See, like that. And I'm going to put the new one in. I'm going to wipe this a little bit off. If any dirt or rust, you get a towel. And this is a new one. I ordered it off Home Depot website. So same thing, the new one, just like the old one, The new one, you just screw it and take this off, because you want to attach this piece back in down in the bottom. And I got my bolt here. So there is a little 2 pieces right here. You're going to get this lock in there. So see, I get it locked in, and already you try put it in sideways like that. Yeah, make sure it's sit. Then you tighten. Because what happened, these valve there, I don't know what happened, but they start to run and you lose a lot of water. I'll get that screwdriver, yeah. Yeah, you lose a lot of water, and yeah, that's not good for your water bill. And the good news with these, like, you make sure you check your measurement, check with the older one. Like when you take it out, make sure the adjustment at the right spot. So I'll show you. See, this is the old one, the adjustment at the right spot, so I don't need to adjust it. And you just find the right slot like that. And that's it. That's it. Then we turn the water back on. And that's it, easy. Dual flush master valve, all in one toilet. This part don't come off. This is all in one right here. Yeah, so you don't have to pull any screw like most toilet do. Alright, so if you like the video, you guys can like, share, and subscribe.